CES 2025 is already brimming with innovative gaming monitors, and HP's Omen 32X smart gaming monitor stands out as a highlight. With its first ever integration of Google TV, this 31.5-inch gaming display aims to be more than just a screen. It's a comprehensive hub for gaming, entertainment, and productivity, not unlike the freshly announced Samsung M9 smart monitor. HP's partnership with Google delivers a smart TV experience via the Google TV OS, allowing users to browse apps and stream content from their favorite platforms. Another notable feature is the ability to mirror your Android smartphone directly to the monitor. And with multi-view support, you can use the mirrored smartphone side by side with your primary source. Additionally, the same keyboard and mouse can be shared between the two sources. Expanding on the Android screen mirroring feature, the Omen 32X will also offer built-in support for Android desktop mode, enhancing productivity without having to jump between screens. And that's not all. The most unique feature of this monitor is the ability to directly stream your gameplay to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and Instagram. The company doesn't exactly explain how this feature works, but the monitor will let users stream to up to 4 platforms simultaneously without any external hardware or software, thereby reducing the load on your CPU and GPU. Additionally, one can hook up to 2 webcams with the monitor to enable a multi-cam setup. At its core, the Omen 32X is every bit a gaming monitor. It features a 4K UHD IPS panel with a 16:9 aspect ratio, a 144Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-low 1 ms GTG response time with overdrive. The monitor also offers NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility and supports AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA Adaptive Sync technologies, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. For visual excellence, the display delivers 95% DCI-P3 and 99% sRGB color gamut coverage, ensuring accurate and vibrant colors. Dolby Vision and VESA Display HDR400 support enhanced contrast and dynamic range, making the Omen 32X ideal for gaming, multimedia consumption, and creative tasks. While it may not match the performance of the latest QD OLED displays, the monitor should provide great value for most users seeking immersive visual. The Omen 32X also offers a wide range of connectivity options, including DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, USB Type-C with 65-watt power delivery, 2 USB 2.0 Type-A ports, RJ45 Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio jack. For ergonomics, the monitor stand features height adjustability, tilt, and swivel for ergonomic comfort, while the built-in quad 3-watt speaker should provide adequate sound for casual use. Pricing and availability of the new Omen 32X smart gaming monitor are still under the wraps, but expect HP to share more details in the coming days.